Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to close all your active OnlyFans account sessions. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is go to settings. At the top right, you can see your profile picture. Click on it right now. And once you do that, this thing will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is focus on this button, that is settings. It has a gear-like icon associated with it. Click on it, and as such, you will be redirected to this section. Now let's simply look at how to close all these sessions. Right here, just below profile, you can see the account tab. Click on it. Now from here, as you guys can see, lots of options, but closing the session relates to security. So let's simply scroll down, and right here under the security tab, you can see something called as login sessions. Click on it. Now as you guys can see, this is my login session. Now what I'm gonna do is click on this button called as close all sessions, and that is it. Once you've done that, all your active login sessions will be closed. That is it, guys. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and definitely subscribe. We will be uploading more videos like this pretty soon. So until next time, thank you.